Hi guys, just revisiting a little project I did a little while back, only a few weeks back. I've done quite a few videos involving these 14500 lithium ion batteries. 14500, 14 diameter, 50 millimeters length. So they're the same size as a AA battery. AA battery 1.5 volts. This one shown us 3.7 volts, but fully charged 4.2 volts. So roughly the equivalent of 3 of those fully charged. Pretty close anyway. One of the little things or projects I did was an extremely technical modification to one of these cheap torches. 9 LEDs in this one. And before I unscrew it, just turn it on, show that it does actually work. And they are nice and bright. Get them from Poundland, or at least that's where I got them from. And what they have in them is a nice little battery pack that holds 3 AAA batteries. I've actually put rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries in there, so 3 times 1.2 gives you 3.6 volts. Normally 4.5 volts with ordinary AAA batteries in there. But what I wanted to do was replace that with that, because that'll give us about the same voltage. So the really technical modification I did was 3D printed a tube. You could just wrap cardboard around it, but I've got a 3D printer, so that's what I used. But there's a minor problem. It's just a tiny bit shorter. The AA battery, or the 14500, is just a tiny bit shorter than that battery pack. It does work when you put it in there, especially if you stretch that spring a bit to make sure it reaches. So simple conversion, and there we are, nice and bright. But if you haven't stretched that spring, which I have done, it rattles around. In fact, I can still make it rattle a bit if I shake it hard enough. And when I did the video, Tellboy 2002 said, well, stick a penny in it. Now, in the UK, a penny is, let's have a look, one of these. It does actually say, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, it does say 1 pence along there. One penny. No, you're not going to be able to see that with the light on. How about that? Afraid I've got the flashlight on the camera because it's a bit dark in here at the moment. You can probably hear it's raining as well. Yeah, 1 penny. So that happens to fit in there nicely. In fact, if you wanted to, you could put 2 in there, I suppose, but we'll just put 1 in. And that just takes up the slack. So I just thought I'd do that, just to say thank you to Tellboy 2002. Now, obviously, if you're in a different country, you could get technical. I haven't got any euros. I've got a 10-cent piece here. Where does that come from? That's a Spanish 10-cent piece. Yeah, Spanish 10 cents. So you can see straight away that's going to work. Well, that's also Spanish. Spanish 5 cents, that'll fit. Oh, well, it would if I didn't throw the other bit on the floor. And what else have we got? British 5 pence piece. Getting a bit expensive now. I complained to Tellboy when he suggested I wasted a whole penny putting it in there. And then the final coin that I got laying there is a German Pfennig. So all of that's fairly irrelevant because it's all euros now, isn't it? And euro cents or whatever they are, I don't know. Anyway, there we go, job done. Simple little video that I've managed to ramble for several minutes on. Just to say thank you to Tellboy. Sorry, Tellboy 2002. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.